Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhinis World. Today I am coming up with special curry powder called Kulambu Milagai Thool, which is also known as Madras Curry powder. Believe me friends, this masala gives unique flavor and delicious taste to your kolumbu or pulusu or any curry. So let's get started. Friends, this masala will stay fresh for more than a year without any refrigeration. Make this masala and keep it ready for your anytime delicious curries. If you like our recipes, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.